Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech, and I will be discussing with you about Object Control SPC. I have this project with many features, comparison points, as well as many samples already inspected. And I want to review the results of all those pieces. I can always navigate to each of the individual pieces. I can also open up all the reports from those pieces as well. But PolyWorks offers a tool called Object Control SPC. If I'm using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I can navigate to the end of the toolbar where you'll see Object Control SPC. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer and using the ribbon, I can navigate to the Review tab, SPC, Controls. Once the tool is open, a few panels will open. And on the left, you'll see a list of all the pieces in my piece history. But in the bottom window, my bottom window is currently empty because in my tree view, nothing is selected. If I select these 4 comparison points in my tree, you'll see the statistics of those 4 comparison points. Now, if I return back to my dialog zone, where you see my piece history, I can simply uncheck a piece if I don't want a certain piece to be factored into the statistics. While this window is open, I could choose how I want to review the results, and right now, I'm looking at the overall statistics. I could choose to view the values per piece, the sample statistics, the trend chart, and once I start going to the charts, that's where I have to activate specific items now. But you can see how I could visually see the trend of these objects graphically.
Because a PolyWorks project can store the measurements of previously inspected pieces, users can be creative with how they use the SPC tool. Just like in this video, I can use the SPC tool to study the quality of my manufacturing process. I can also use the SPC tool to study the repeatability of my measurement device after measuring the same sample multiple times. Similarly, I can also use this SPC tool to study how well 2 different measurement technologies correlate to each other after measuring the same piece. I hope this video about SPC helps you with your engineering studies. Thank you for watching.